know what I am, yeah. I know what I am a sneakerhead. Standing on y'all, they know I'm ahead. Yeezys and Nikes, it's all I wear. Copping and rocking, no reseller. Sneakerhead, 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 yeah, I know.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite YouTube content creator. Well, I guess I could use my sneaker intro. What's cracking YouTube? Is me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneaker here. Once again, bring you another sneaker video. This is not a pickup. This is not a review or nothing like that. This is the first ever Tunes custom video. I will be having some fun. As you can see, I got my little supplies right here. I will be leaving detailed information about each one of these products in the description below. Excuse me, I thought I had to touch my in the description below. If you want to do this is going to be an easy custom video. I'm partnering up with a up and coming artist. She will be the one that we will be doing the actual custom on this shoe. As you can tell, I don't have nails. You will see nails in the video. She is going to be pretty soon starting her own YouTube channel up as well, art YouTube channel. So I will in the future videos, when her channel is up and running, I will be putting the link of her channel and her Instagram and then Twitter and whatever she wants. I want to put it in my bio so you can reach out to her individually. She actually want to really get into this custom shit, so I told her that I could be her practice dummy. So as you can see here, we have 2 boxes of shoes. These are the same thing. Yeah, they're Air Jordan 1 mids. These are the Jordan 1 mids bread. So, or band, whatever you want to call them. I will show you this right here. Same shoe, just in case y'all think. Oh, see, get a little close up of that. Boom, boom, boom. Listen, this is not going to be a first time custom of this shoe. If you go on YouTube, you're going to see a lot of people doing this, because once they saw this shoe, they was like, yo, this is the bands. There's only one thing different about this shoe. And it's simple. This right here. So that right there on the high top bands, that that little side panel right here is, well, ridge on the side is black. So she will be painting the side of this black. I have 2 pairs, just in case y'all think that, well, no, it's already done or whatever like that. Nope. See, this is the other shoe, not done. As you can see, there you go. There you go. So it's not done. It is not done. So as you can tell, so they both are 8.5. So this is the before look, and the after look will be coming soon. The whole video is gonna be detailed. So we're gonna put I think it's called time lapse. I forgot. Time lapse. So the video will be speeded up. Hopefully I could put music with it or something like that. I don't want y'all just to be like looking at it like quiet. So hopefully, I'm not very good with the editing in my videos. As y'all can see from all my previous videos, I don't do no editing. My videos are straight, raw, and hood, BT uncut type shit. So hopefully I can add some music to it. If I can, I can. If I can't, I can't. It's probably gonna be boring. I don't want to get copyrighted strike, so I can't add actual music. So I might put one of my songs on there, or you might just hear me in the background like this, like doing a little bebop. I don't know, but we gonna see. So I hope y'all enjoy the video, and this is gonna be fun though. So Air Jordan 1 mid band custom. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I have not actually, in the midst of me saying this outro or whatever you want to call it, this end of the video, I have not actually looked over the videos. I have not edited them and spliced them together yet, so I don't know what the finishing touches are going to be. So hopefully, if you're seeing this, that means they was good enough for me to actually say, you know what, they're worth putting up there. But I want to thank my lovely assistant for doing all of the work, because I did absolutely nothing but sit back and watch. So, like I said, she just wanted to start off with something. She's really into customs and all that, like, you know, the customizations of sneakers and other stuff, and she loves art. So she wanted to try something. This was pretty like an easy project for her. Even she said herself, like, wow, this was easier than what she thought. So be on the lookout for her to do more up and coming customized stuff, Jordans, Air Forces, stuff like that. I definitely want, when she get her page up and running, I will post it in one of my channels or whatever. I mean, one of my pages, one of my videos, so y'all can see it. But anyway, this was the before. This is the before. Like, this is when you first buy the Jordan 1 mids band or whatever like that. This is the before, and put that right here. Drum roll, please. This is the after. Boom. And what I say, this is nice. This is a damn good job for someone that never ever did a custom paint job before. This is a nice shoe. So I'm gonna give you a little side by side compare this. So so this is the before, and this is the after. Really like this. Like, this is dope. This is dope. I'm very happy. Be on the lookout. Me and her are gonna work together again very soon, because I do want to do the Jordan 1 mid Chicago. I think the white toe, that's what they call. I forgot what they call. But I do want to do that and change it to like the Chicago, the OG Chicago. So I will be doing that. That's gonna be a little bit harder for her, because on that one, this whole back panel is white, so she's gonna have to paint all that red. And I think like some the wings. If I'm not mistaken, I think the wings are black or something. I forgot. But it's gonna be a lot. She's gonna have to do a lot. So that's really gonna test if she really want to do this for the future reference or whatever like that. For the future or whatever. And that's the white. Okay, red. Okay. So anyway, I don't want to do that. Like I said, I don't want to do that until I get 2 pairs too. Like, I got 2 pairs of these. So just in case she did fuck up the pair, I still got my backup pair. So I don't want to go out and buy a pair of the Chicago white toes or whatever they call, and only have one. So that video will be coming soon after I know for a fact I got 2 pairs. So let me know in the comments below if you like what she did. If you're in the California area, not even California area, if you just want to ship some stuff and you want to get custom, shorty got skills. So let me know if we can make some work. Leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, share, follow my Twitter, my Instagram is in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.